Hi, I'm Jill Bombacci, and welcome to Keeping It Simple with Rexton. Today, we'll cover our rapid repair solution. Have a wearer with a hearing aid in need for repair, and troubleshooting hasn't resolved the issue? Take advantage of our BRX service for a fast and hassle-free solution. Our rapid exchange service allows us to expedite your request by shipping a replacement hearing aid before we receive the original. To take advantage of this convenient option, the device must be under warranty and cannot be a custom product. Simply call our customer care team with the serial number, and we'll ship a replacement immediately, ensuring the wearer isn't left without their hearing aids. Once the replacement arrives, just return the original device alongside a repair form stating BRX already received. This is one of the many ways Rexton saves you time and keeps hearing aid wearers connected to life. Just one more way you can rely on Rexton. Thanks for joining me on Keeping It Simple. Hope to see you next time.